Quinn, that snazzy iPhone guy, and this is a video app review of RingShuffle for iPhone. Now, this application currently is free in the iTunes App Store. However, they have announced that it will only be free for a limited time. When it goes to a paid product, I don't know if the application will remain free and you'll have to pay for the service or vice versa, but for right now, it is free and it's really freaking cool. It's called RingShuffle and it's for your iPhone, and what it allows you to do is have a different number assigned to your iPhone temporarily. Now, this is very much like Google Voice and other such services. However, this is instantaneous and you can change it on the fly. It's really cool and is great in a lot of situations. For example, you may be selling concert tickets, this, that, and the other. On Craigslist, you don't want to put your real phone number out there, so you put this temporary one. And then once you're done with the sale, you can get rid of the number. It's pretty neat. There are a few limitations which I'm going to talk about, but I really like the application and highly suggest you check it out just for kicks and giggles because it's pretty darn cool. Like I said, it is RingShuffle. All you have to do is open up the application. It will display your mobile phone number, the number you would like to have shuffled, and then that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trash this number right here. This is my current shuffle number. And what I can do is say get new number. Okay, I'm going to get a new number right here. Let's do 803-6842. I gotta remember that. You can choose the area code if you want a different area code. 801 is my local area code, so that's what I'm going to choose. But you could do any area code, which is really awesome. Obviously, without going toll free, you can't choose that. But you select get a new number. Let's do 803-6834. I'll write that down because I'll forget it. My memory is like an old woman's, except worse. 803-6842. Okay, cool. So we are going to press, no, that's not it. I wrote down that one. So let's select that one. We're going to press done. Okay, so this is the number that we have assigned to us. And now what it allows us to do is we can quit the application. We can place our phone aside, okay, and bring a new phone into the mix, which I will get right here. We are going to press keypad, and here we go. So let's type in 801-803-6842, and then press call. Now what happens is we are calling this number. This is not my real number in real life. However, this phone call forwards to my current phone. Now, what it does is you can see here, I have Campbell, this is my brother's phone, in my phone book. So I can't actually see that it's a number that's being directed to my ditch number rather than my regular number, which is kind of annoying, but that's something to note. Anyway, you may be able to hear, hello, hello, hello. The call is going on. So that's pretty neat, and I can then end the call. And no harm, no foul, those people leave me alone. So that's pretty nice. And again, I can ditch this number. I can recycle the number, get a new number. You can only have one number at the same time, but I can get a new number. No, that actually just renews it, sorry. So there is an expiry date on the number. You can only have it, I believe, for 8 days. So it expires October 1st, 2011, which is longer than 8 days. So I don't know the duration of time, but it's pretty close to 8 days. And then what you're able to do is, so you can renew that number, or I can trash the number altogether. So let's say I made the sale, I'm going to another sale, and I can get myself a new number. We'll do 801, 803. Actually, let's do a foreign area code just for kicks and giggles. Let's do 435. Okay, so I can go 435. 245-1733. Okay, so let's save that. And once it's saved, that's it. That's all I have to do. The number is assigned to me on RingShuffle's servers, and I'm ready to go. So I press call, and you will see that the number does in fact redirect to my phone. So it's cool because it's like Google Voice, except for you don't need to be like hands-on there. It's pretty nice. Now there are some limitations. If I decide to decline the call, it will go to my voicemail, which is kind of skeptical. I wish you could assign your own voicemail for that particular number, but you cannot do so. It's simply a forwarding number, which is nice, but you do still have to kind of be yourself. That being said though, it's pretty slick. Unfortunately, it does not allow texting, so it acts as a landline number, so you can't choose to text people. If someone does text your RingShuffle number, it will just return a delivery failure message saying it needs to be sent to a valid 10-digit cell phone number. But it's a pretty cool app. Again, it's absolutely free. I can think of a million instances when you would want to give people your number, but maybe not your real number, and it's pretty cool. I suggest you check it out. Again, what's the harm? It's free. It's a very slick service. It works super, super well. I don't know what I'm going to think about it when it goes paid, if it goes paid, when it goes paid, but for right now, it's absolutely brilliant, and you must check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, rate, comment, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later, folks. This video is brought to you by Roku, Netflix, Hulu, music, live sports, Angry Birds, and a whole lot more. All on your TV for just $60. So much fun for so little. Visit TreadedUS/Roku to learn more.